If you work in IT or plan to, this video might make you uncomfortable. In 2026, companies won't fire you because you're bad. They'll replace you because AI is cheaper and faster, and never sleeps. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools already replacing entry-level IT jobs, and what you must do next. Let's be honest, AI isn't wiping out all IT jobs, but entry-level positions? Helpdesk. Junior devs, QA testers, basic system admins, those are on the front line, and these are the tools making it happen. Tool number 1, AI coding assistants. AI coding assistants, like GitHub, Copilot, Codium, and ChatGPT, these tools can write full functions, debug errors, refactor code, and explain complex logic. What used to take a junior developer 2 to 3 hours now takes minutes. Companies don't need 5 junior devs anymore. They need 1 senior dev plus AI. Jobs at risk. Junior software developer, entry-level web developer, intern programmers. Tool number 2, AI helpdesk and IT support. Tools like Zendesk AI, Freshdesk AI, and internal AI chatbots now handle password resets, software issues, network troubleshooting, and basic system errors. These bots never get tired, and they cost less than a monthly salary. Jobs at risk. E-helpdesk support, level 1 technical support, service desk analysts. Tool number 3, AI testing and QA automation. Tools like Test-Enable and Functionize automatically create test cases, detect bugs, adapt tests when code changes. Manual testing roles are disappearing fast. Jobs at risk. QA tester, manual software tester, junior automation tester. Tool number 4, AI system and cloud management. Platforms like AWS, AIOps, Azure AI, and Google Cloud AI can Heels autoscale servers, detect failures, predict outages, optimize costs. What once required junior system admins is now automated. Jobs at risk. Junior system administrator, entry-level cloud engineer, NOC technicians. Tool number 5, no-code and low-code AI platforms. Tools like Bubble, Webflow AI, and Retool let non-developers build apps, dashboards, internal tools. Companies skip hiring junior devs entirely. Jobs at risk. Junior app developers, internal tool developers, entry-level back-end roles. Here's the scary truth. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces tasks. If your job is mostly repetitive, predictable, and rule-based, AI is already learning it. So what should you do? Don't compete with AI, control it. Skills to learn. AI automation, prompt engineering, system architecture, AI tool integration, cybersecurity and compliance. The safest IT professionals in 2026 won't write more code. They'll decide what AI should do. If you're in IT and want to stay relevant, subscribe. This channel teaches how to use AI before it replaces you. The future isn't coming. It's already here.